Meron akong nakitang mga misquotes na pinost kahapon. Actually, viral na 'to kahapon, eh. Tapos nung isang araw ko pa 'to nakita, pero talagang mukhang kahapon lang siya nag-boom, gano'n. Mga misquotes na pinost ng mga malilikot ng utak ng mga Pinoy, 'no. Witty talaga yung mga Pinoy pagdating sa mga ganitong bagay. Ang galing nilang mag-isip ng way, kung paano maaliw yung sarili. Pinost ni Jerry Paclibar, 'no, yung mga nag-ano siya, parang nag-compile siya ng mga misquotes na nakita niya sa web kahapon. So shoutout sa iyo pare, pare Jerry Paclibar, no? Sa Niram ko lang yung mga post mo. Silalagay ko dito. Kung mapapanood mo man ito, i-message mo. Thank you. Yan. So unahin natin yung unang picture. Ang kulit na ito eh. Ang sabi dito, it is what is it? What is it? It is it is what is it? It is what it is, dapat 'yon, no? Pero nakalagay kasi, it is what is it. Sinadya to, pero nakakatawa talaga siya. Next. Dito naman, it takes one to know one. It takes one to know one. No one. Ewan ko na lang. Takes one to know one. Ito mas matindi. To see is to believe. Umalis. Umalis. To see is to believe. Oh my. Whatever happens. Wala? Whatever happens. What happened? What happened? Whatever happens. What happened? What happened? Next, ulit. Ano natin? Ito maganda. Sometimes, you just have to, let's go! Let's go. Parang may paring Raymond. Let's go, paring Raymond. Yes, go. Next. Ito naman. You are, who are you? You are, who are you? Ito, hindi totoo to. Once a cheater, always a teacher. Nung once a cheater, always a teacher. Yung iba hindi teacher, cheater din eh. No? Hindi totoo to. Not all. Not all. Not all. I don't chase. I don't chase, I attack. Ano ba yan? Maring Bianca Castillo. Bakit kung mag-a-attack? I don't chase, I attack. Nakakatakot ka. Next naman. Be the love you never received. May resibo na ngayon. May resibo na ang pagmamahal ngayon. Oh my God. Be the love you never received. Ayan na, dapat official receipt yan. Hindi yun, peke lang. Dapat naka-register yan sa DTI. Tingnan natin yung susunod. Next natin. It's better late than never say never. Okay. Never say neighbor sa neighbor. Ang kulit na ito eh. Ano pa ba? Never say never. Oh. Ito naman. These two shall fast. Nabilis nga sila. These two shall pass. Baka, these two shall pass. These two shall pass. Fast as in mabilis. Mabilis nga. Bakit mabagal ba sila? Next. A blessing in disguise. May blessing sa mga lalaki. Siguro may sugar daddy to. A blessing in disguise daw ang puti. A blessing in disguise daw. May sugar daddy yun. A blessing in disguise. Meaning to say, my sugar daddy. Ate and left no crumbs. Ano yun? Ate and left no crumbs. Left no crumbs. Hmm? Ewan ko. Ano ba yan? Paring dyan. Masyado kang, ate and left no crumbs? Gato eh. The one that go far away. The one that go far away. Sino ba nakaisip nito? The one that go far away. Makulit din yun. The one that got away dapat. The one that go far away. Don't judge a book. Judge its cover. I-judge mo daw yung cover niya. Huwag mo i-judge yung book. I-judge mo yung cover. Pag pangit yung cover, hindi yung book. No? Judge the book eh. Judge the cover, not the book. Don't judge the book. Judge its cover. No? Pa ba? Everything happens, just give me a reason. Everything happens, just give me a reason. Bigyan mo siya ng rason kasi. Diyos ko naman. Bigyan mo kasi siya ng rason. Everything happens. Ito. What goes around? All around. What goes around, all around? Kaya sumasakit na hulo ko sa inyo. Ito, next. Don't judge a book by this cover. Don't judge a book by this cover. No, pero mas gusto ko yung una. Don't judge a book. Judge its cover. Mas matindi yun. You only live once. Tama nga naman to. Isang beses ka lang papanaw. Diba? You only live once. Isang beses ka nga lang naman papanaw. Ba't may dalawang beses ba? Double dead yun. Pag double dead yun pag dalawang beses pumanaw. Tama nga naman to. You only live once. Tama yan. Tama. If he wanted to, he would. Kinahoy na. Kinahoy na. Kulit na ito. He would daw. Whatever circumcision in your life have a meaning. Aba ito, bangkang bata pa to, hindi pa yata tutuli. Kaya circumcision yung sinabi. Yan. Ayoko na ituloy yung sakit na ng ulo ko. Next time na lang ulit.